Hi, this is Seth from Circuit Board Medics. If you have an international truck that's between the years 1993 to 2004 and you're having issues with your instrument cluster, you're not alone. These clusters are a pretty common failure point, and it's only a matter of time before problems appear. So today, we're going to show you the most common symptoms that indicate a failed gauge cluster and show you how to get back on the road quickly. The most common symptoms of a failed cluster include full or intermittent power loss, the lights flickering or completely out, or the gauge is sticking, giving incorrect readings, or not working at all. This, of course, can be very frustrating and a potential safety hazard. Because of this, we offer an affordable repair service to rebuild the cluster completely, restoring and upgrading it to function better than new with a fast 1 business day turnaround time. Our service preserves your original programming and mileage and is covered by a comprehensive warranty. Our process is simple. You just need to purchase the repair service on our website, and you'll receive an email with instructions for how to ship your cluster to us. Once we receive it, we'll fully rebuild and test the cluster in 1 business day and ship it back to you. When you receive your cluster, it will be ready to install, no programming required. Simply plug it back in and you're all set. If you're ready to restore your truck's functionality and get back on the road quickly, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.